Ethereum broke a crucial support level. If that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are getting very close to 900 Telegram members. For those of you that want to keep an update with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the bio. It is absolutely free. Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Ethereum analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, ladies and gentlemen, there's quite a few things that we want to go over in this video. Number one, of course, looking at the obvious, we saw a beautiful wick on Ethereum hitting that daily exponential moving average. Now, before I get into the daily time frame, of course, this was based off news for the investigation happening today, as well as the outline for crypto moving forward from the DOJ. So just keep that in mind as you are trading, that we are expecting quite a bit of volatility. Now, for those of you that were part of Telegram channel, I posted a video this morning mentioning the fact that we are looking for some short scalping positions on Ethereum. But for those of you that are a little bit more conservative, you can wait for the candle close, and you can see why. As of course, we saw a very nice wick opportunity hitting our midterm support level here perfectly at 1945, and then we saw some bullish pressure, and once again we are fighting now for the exponential moving averages. This is going to be a very key for the next 6 minutes. Of course, if we end up closing below the exponential moving averages, then that's a confirmation for another retest of 1936 and 1911. But of course, if the bulls can somehow manage to break above that zone, then we are looking for another breakout trade. The main deciding factor for Ethereum was 2029. For those of you that remember, we entered some very nice long scalping opportunities heading into that retest of the wick high of 2060, ended up closing that trade pretty much perfectly. And then I mentioned to you guys to wait until 2029 and see how that level reacts from a support perspective. You can see that instead of holding as support, we actually managed to hold that level as resistance with multiple retest opportunities and rejections. That's what caused the break formation of the exponential moving average. That's not what caused this wick right here. Of course, this was a little bit more news-based, but this was still a very clean confirmation from a shorting perspective. Now, going into our daily time frame, you'll notice the fact that the 20 EMA was tested absolutely perfectly. We are still ranging in between this level. I have not once said to start looking for swing short positions until the exponential moving averages are broken. You can see that we've been in a massive uptrend pretty much on the daily using these levels as support. So there's really no reason to start looking for swing positions until we end up breaking below the exponential moving averages. We are still looking for an uptrend on Ethereum heading into 2100, and of course, if we manage to get the break of that formation, then our main take profit remains to be at 2300 Ethereum. Everything right now depends on 1936 and 1911, and you can see that we've seen multiple retest opportunities of these levels, so the bulls are holding these levels strong. You just have to be very careful when you are looking for scalping opportunities. You want to be very aggressive because, like I said, with news and volatility, the market can turn extremely quickly. You can see that probably a lot of traders got trapped at the bottom of wick here. When I mentioned to you guys in terms of scalping opportunities that Ethereum is free is around the 1970 range. So even if you entered that scalp, you still got quite a bit of profit on the move towards downside. But this is where market psychology and discipline really comes in handy. When I say aggressive, it really means aggressive, because the market, of course, if it were to turn, a lot of traders end up holding that position, hoping for the fact that it's a fake out, and 9 out of 10 times it usually isn't. When it comes down to scalping opportunities, you want to be in and out of the market, and of course you can see that these wicks are very, very dangerous. Now, enough of the scalping opportunities. Let's look ahead of pretty much the 4-hour time frame, and you can see that this move set, of course, does remind me of this confirmation right here as well. When we ended up breaking below 2029, we got a very strong move towards the downside immediately after recovering overall, and this is a nicer consolidation. I mentioned to you guys that the main level right now is 2122 because of the fact that we have tested this level twice. Now this would become the third test opportunity, and usually on the third test we tend to see a breakout formation. We just have to be very careful of our confirmation of where exactly to enter, and that's why I've been telling you guys 1936 and 1911 are the only two levels you really need to pay attention to. If the bulls manage to hold above those zones, and those are some very nice long confirmation areas, but of course everything changes if that level were to break, and I will keep you guys posted over on Telegram. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in $35,000 trading bonus, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have it.